Damn, guys. They crashed the GTI. Alright, so I received a very tough call yesterday while I was at work. Boy Sammy got rear-ended. But I'm not going to tell you the story. I'll let him kind of, go over it. Tell him how you got rear-ended, bro.
So I was at a red light and somebody just smacked me.
I think he's lying to me. I think he was racing.
No. So I was at a red light and I inched up a little bit and the car behind me texting or something and just smashed right into the back of my bumper. So I'm not going to say no more, but you guys will see it.
Let's see. Here's the damage. That's tough. And for those of you guys who don't know, this is a Vortex, right?
Yeah,
or Vortex. Vortex rear bumper. Now the positive to this is that the main piece that was really cracked was the bottom. The top looks like it was once repaired, so I'm actually just gonna possibly go over it and try to fix it again. So we're gonna take this off, or at least attempt to take this off. There's a video online of people trying to do it, but
failed.
Terrible. I mean, they don't show anything. So the plan for this is to fix the bumper as opposed to changing it. The positive to all this is the fact that Sammy got $1,000 for that cash, and we're actually not going to run it through insurance, which is a positive because neither insurance will go up. So we're actually going to attempt to fix this with, what did you spend? Maybe $40 in parts?
Yeah.
About $40 on a plastic welder and a couple different things, and we're going to try to fix it up and hopefully throw that money towards some other more productive things like wheels and maybe a clutch.
Yeah. Exactly.
Who knows? But yeah, so we got a plastic welder at Harbor Freight. Hopefully it works well. I got some mesh, got some extra plastics to kind of weld this thing up. I'm going to work on the body work for the top while he starts to do some of the plastic welding, because he learned how to plastic weld in school. He went to a trade school and did some mechanic stuff. So anyways, I'm going to start taking this off. I'm going to unbolt the whole thing, get it off for him, so that way he can go in the back over there and try to start working on it. Alright, so just in case you guys are ever curious about how to take this off the Vortex, there's pretty much 3 screws on the side over here by the fender lining. There's also another T20. These 3 are T20. There's another T20 here, and then another one on the other side. And then you have 2 T30s in the very middle of the valance. And then after that, all you have to do is just pretty much pull from here and just pull straight across, just like you saw in that little clip. So yeah. So like I said, Sammy's going to start doing a lot of the grinding work. We're going to clean up the bumper itself, so that way we can sand down a couple of things, and I'll walk you through the process. This is the cheap welder. Hopefully it works. We just need it to work once. That's it.
Just needs to heat up.
And it's got some mesh that we're going to use, and then some extra plastics that we're going to use to seal everything up. So honestly, it really, like, once it's off, Sammy, though, like, it doesn't really look that bad.
No.
Like, so
I think I'll be able to fix it.
Yeah, so we're gonna get to working on this. I was gonna start doing the body work on this, but I'm gonna try to help him out as far as like a couple other things over there, because I think I need to pull in the car up to the driveway. Got the bumper all out. We cleaned it all up. I used some tough stuff in the area. We're actually just making the area a little bit more rough. Sammy over there struggles with some plastic welding. I'm actually gonna take this opportunity to start, kind of prepping this back bumper for some primer and some paint. It looks like it was repaired once before, like I said. So I gotta, kind of straighten all this stuff out and try to clean it up, so that way we can get to possibly repainting this. He's gonna finish the welding. I'm gonna do this, so hopefully we can move a little bit faster. made some progress. We plastic welded the whole back of it. We put it back on. We started sanding some of the stuff down, but Sammy's got to go to work and I've got a long day ahead of me as well. So we're gonna kind of wrap things up here just to give you a little perspective of what it looks like right now. It doesn't look like much, but the back is welded in. We just gotta, you know, obviously bondle those little pieces up front and you know, get to finishing that. But other than that, I mean, this car will be 100% by the Stack Plus opening day, right? Which is the 15th.
Oh, yeah,
which sadly I won't be part of because I have to work and stuff. But I'll probably be there at night, and maybe I'll pull up a live stream so you guys can check it out. So Sammy's gonna be back here on Sunday. We're gonna do some more work on it, possibly bondo it, unless his boy just does it for him at a body shop, like really quickly. But we did most of the work for him. All he has to do is bondo the front and respray it, so that shouldn't be too bad. But that's gonna be it, guys. Remember, we do have stickers still available, so make sure you guys hit me up down below on the email addresses. Make sure you follow Sammy on Instagrammy. I definitely did not mean to say it just like that, but it worked out. It's Sammy on the Instagrammy. That's Sammy's Physique. I'll put the obviously the link. I would have already put it on him somewhere. Check this out.
Carbon fiber.
The aftermath of the crash.
But
you got a brand new one. Them AutoZone parts, though, killing it. That's gonna conclude the video, guys. Stay tuned. We've got a lot going on. The rims are looking fantabulous, except they're a little dirty. So I won't show you guys so you don't hose me. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.
Won't you let the light shine through for you?